If you're in the trading game on Memecoins right now, I imagine you face the same frustrations that I used to face. Hardly any profit and loads of fees taking everything off the top. Instead, how about this? You start deving coins. I have found a simple method and I am going to show you step-by-step process that I used to start stacking some serious cash, as you can see in my Phantom wallet. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. All right, we are at the live demonstration part of this video, but one of the things we're going to do is just have a look at some of the coins that are currently live right now and just take a look at their story and see what's going on. Now, obviously from the perspective of a trader, the initial output of this coin is really good. It just kicks up immediately, and then there's a lot of faith lost in the coin because obviously at any point the developer can just pull the liquidity, and that would mean that everyone would lose their money. So, you know, when you're trading, it's kind of hard to think like, okay, how long is this gonna last? How long do I hold out? And do I pull out when the first sign of red comes up, or do I not? You know, and it's hard to be super consistent with that. Now, as you can see here from the top traders on a lot of these coins, they are super consistent. Now, there's two reasons for that. One is they know a dev, okay, so they know exactly when that rug is going to be pulled, and the other is that they are a dev and they are the ones pulling the rug, and that is what we are going to do today. We are going to use createcoin.fun to launch our own coin on Solana within a few seconds, and the best part, no coding is required. We don't need to know how to code, guys. We don't need to clicky clacky on our keyboards for hours on end. If you can push a few buttons, you can do this, okay? That is how accessible this is now. All right, the market is just ours for the taking, and I have been taking for so long, but I just want other people to just sort of live off these fruits like I have, okay? Now, take a look at some of the markets here. When most people create coins through other means, they upload to Pump, and the problem with Pump is there's loads of fees, and also it sort of puts a cap on your market cap, so you can only get your coins to be so big before they start getting curtailed and coddled, right? And that's no good, okay? So we want our coin to be able to flow and fluctuate as much as the market allows it to, okay? So what we're going to do instead is we're not going to use Pump, okay? So Pump is not the marketplace that we are going to sell our coins on because the numbers just aren't there for the most part, okay? Instead, we are going to switch over to Dynamic on Axiom and have a look at the Matora market. Now, you can see that some of these coins are just immense in terms of their market caps. I mean, some are in the billions. That is insane. Now, these coins have been running a long time. When we use our method, we're not going to run them anywhere near as long, but we're still going to make super consistent money. So I have got just over $100 in the Phantom wallet. That's roughly what you'll need, so make sure you've got that amount in Sol. We're going to hit Connect Wallet. We're going to click Phantom. It's as easy as that. Our wallet's connected. Now, typically, how this method would go is you would create your own coin. You'd give it its own name. You'd give it its own symbol. You'd give it its own image, and it would be based off a narrative or a tweet, or you'd call it something funny, okay? But we are not going to do that because that requires tons of effort. Instead, we are going to hit the Copy Trending tab. Now, this is an interesting tool that createcoin.fun has. What it does is it looks at the pump market and finds the coins that are trending, okay? So coins that already have a bunch of hype behind them, and then we are going to take advantage of that hype and use it for our personal gain. So a bit of information is on each of these. You can see the name, you can see the last market cap and the last time it was paired. You can use that information to make the decision on which coin you want to pair up, but frankly, most of these are fine. You won't go wrong with any of these, to be honest. I've picked ones with low market caps, high market caps. For the sake of the method, it doesn't really matter. Today, I like the sound of the cash cow because that's what this is. We're going to pull on those udders and we are going to milk all of the money out of this cow. When you initially copy a coin, you will get this request block tab. So what you need to do is click proceed anyway. You need to click confirm. You need to tick the box and then click confirm. Okay, this is a standard part of the process. I have to do this every single time, so do not fret. As you can see, I've done that, nothing crazy has happened. So now we've created our token, okay? So the token is created, it's just not on the market yet, because what we need to do is we need to create a liquidity pool. So what that means is we need to take some of that Sol that we've got in our Phantom wallet, put it into the coin and give it an initial investment so that we can put it on the market. Now, there's a bunch of information here. You have got the name, you've got the amount of tokens, and then you've got the amount of Sol. The only thing we need to worry about is the amount of SOL. Now, typically, I tend to put on 0.2 SOL. That's how much I put into my coins each time I launch them, and that's what's worked for me. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, I would highly recommend you do 0.2, and then afterwards, you can feel free to experiment a bit. You just might find that a bit less, you don't get as much activity, and a bit more, your overhead's a bit too big, and you'll make less profit. So we're going to hit the confirm transaction on that on the 0.2. So here we go. Just give it a sec. There we go. Pool created successfully. So now we are going to be live in a few moments. But first, there's something else we need to do. First thing, let's have a look at these details here. Look at our estimated value at $15. Remember that number. It will change later on. But now we're going to click the lightning bolt and hit the boost button. Of all the steps of this method, this is the most important one. You need to get on top of Dex Screener's trending list by spending that 0.25 SOL. This is what makes the method work, and this is what's going to make us all that cash very quickly. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So we are going to take that 0.25 SOL, we're going to spend it, get ourselves in front of all those bots and all those trend chasers, and then that is what's going to rake in all of the cash. Okay, so let's hit confirm on that transaction there, and once that is done, we're going to take a look on Dex Screener and see how our coin performs. Let's hit Dex Screener, let's have a look. So we are loaded in, and we're at 0, of course, to start with, and then we will bang, here we go. So we're off to the races. So volume at 4.7k, that is fantastic to start with. So let's have a look. Our market cap, we've already gone to 1.7k. We've only been open for a few seconds. A lot of those coins on pump, they've been open for ages, and they barely get any higher than what we've got already. 2.1k, fantastic. Now with these videos, of course, I make money each time I do this method, so I will have some money in a prize pool for you. If you want a chance to win half of what I make this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of what I make for this video, and that number is just going up and up and up. So back to createcoin.fun. Now we were at $15 before. Let's hit a refresh and see how much money we are now worth. We've gone from $15 to $973, guys. We started at 15, we're nearly at 1,000. That is an impressive jump. Okay, let's hit the negative button and let's pull all of that liquidity, 100%. Remove the liquidity, pull the rug, and let's put all that money into our pockets. And it's as easy as that, guys. Once you confirm that transaction, that money goes straight into your Phantom wallet. Let's see how much we've got in there now. So we've started at 100, 972, guys. We've made over $850. Get on this method now and start making some money.